Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to enable Apple Cash and link a funding source now. Open Wallet, tap the Apple Cash card and choose Setup. You'll follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Once done, add a bank debit card so you can load money to Apple Cash, and make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for quick approvals. This sets the foundation. Apple Cash needs verification and a linked debit to send or receive money using Apple Pay at checkout or in Messages. Next, you'll actively use Apple Cash through Apple Pay. Before paying, select the Apple Cash card in Wallet so it's the default payment method. Then bring your iPhone to the reader or double-click the side button to invoke Apple Pay. Confirm the payment with Face ID or Touch ID and watch the Apple Cash balance update immediately. If you prefer, tap the card during checkout to switch between Apple Cash and a debit card. This flexibility helps you control spending and keep a backup funding source ready. To finish, transfer funds or complete purchases and verify records. For bank transfers, go to Wallet, tap Apple Cash and choose Transfer to Bank. Transfers take 1-3 business days unless you use Instant Transfer. Make sure payments and shipping info and your region match your bank account to avoid declines. If a payment fails, retry, check your network, and confirm your linked card isn't expired. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID. That usually resolves sync issues. If not, contact Apple support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.